Okay, hello everyone. Today we're gonna learn how to convert decimal numbers into binary numbers. So on this video, I'm only going to show you one method. But if you think this method is difficult and you want another method, you can simply leave a comment below and I will post another video with another method. So on this method, you have to familiarize yourself with the powers of 2. For example, 2 to the power 0, it's 1. 2 to the power 1 is 2. 2 to the power 2, it's 4. 2 to the power 3, it's 8. 2 to the power 4, it's 16. 2 to the power 5 is 32. 2 to the power 6 is 64. 2 to the power 7, it's 128, and then etc. So for example, let's say we want to convert 17 to binary numbers. So we want to convert 17 to binary numbers. So what we do on this method, we want to look for numbers that are going to add up to 17. So we're going to start from the highest and then we add to the lowest. We're going to start from the highest and then we add to the lowest. So for example, here we want to convert 17 into binary numbers. So the highest number that we have is going to be 16. 32 is already above 17, so we cannot add it. So, but we have 16. So we're going to have 16 here. So we're going to have 16. Okay, let's look for another paper. Let's take this one. So we're going to have 16 here. And then which other number that is going to add up to 17? It's going to be 1. So 16 plus 1, 16 plus 1 gives us what? 17, the number that we wanted. So the only numbers that we considered to were added to 17 is 16 and 1. So wherever those numbers are added, we're going to put 1. And then here, we're also going to put none. Then here, we didn't add 8, so it's 0. We didn't add 2 as well, so we put 0. We didn't add 4 and 2, so it's 0 there. Therefore, 17 is equal to 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. So let's say maybe we want to look for numbers that add up to 21. Let's do another example. Let's say now we want numbers that are going to add up to, want to convert 21 to binary. So we come back here, we want numbers that are going to add up to 21. So we're going to start from the highest number as well. So here, 32 is already above 21, so we cannot consider it. We are going to start at 16 again. So what the numbers that we're going to have that are going to add up to 21, we have 16, where we say the number, okay, 16, we're going to put 1. And then if we add 8, 16 plus 8 gives us 24. It's above 21. So 8 is not going to be added. We put 0. Then we're going to have 16 plus 4 gives us 20. If we add 2, it's going to give us 22. So 2 is not going to be part of them. If we add 1 plus 1, it gives us 21. Therefore, 16 plus 4 plus 1 gives us what? 21. 16 plus 4 plus 1 gives us what? 21. Therefore, 21 is equal to 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay, so now so now let's try this example. Let's convert 50. Let's convert 50 to binary numbers. So now if we want to convert 50 to binary numbers, we are going to look for numbers that are going to add up to 50 here. So from here, we can just go to the highest number. So if we go to the highest number, we have 64, which is higher than 50. But 32 is below 50, so we can use 32. So to add up to 50, we're going to have 32. 32 plus 16 gives us 48. So still, we haven't reached 50. So 32 plus 16 gives us 48. So 48 plus 8 is going to give us 46. So we do not count 8. 48 plus 4 gives us 52. So we do not count 4 as well. 48 plus 2 is going to give us 50. So we're going to add that one here. So now 32 plus 16 plus 2 is going to give us what? 50. Therefore, we're going to put 1 on all the numbers that are going to add up to 50. So we have 32, we have 16, and then we have 2. So all the numbers that do not add up to 50, we're going to put 0. On 8, 4, and 1, we put 0. Therefore, 50 is equal to 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0 in binary numbers. Okay, I would like to put another example, but I will just pause the video here and go and try this method and see where it gets you. So if you have numbers that are above, for example, the number that's above 128, you can still add 2 to the power 8, you can add 2 to the power 9, etc. So you can use those numbers and it's still going to get your answers correctly. So that's all about converting decimal to binary numbers. But if you want to learn how to convert binary to decimal, you can check the video right here, and how to add decimal and binary number, how to add decimal or binary numbers, we can check the video here as well. So thank you and enjoy your day.